So let's get a clean sheet of paper. There we go. Get it nice and straight. And let me show you some figures. Now, it's quite commonly known that if you want to get a person in a picture looking like a person, you would sketch in a shape that represents a carrot. Now that's pretty carrot-like. We can sketch that in, we can fill that in. And we'll pop the head on. We can put like the arms on. Now as a basic person that's walking, we'll pop a shadow on as well. You've got a figure in your picture. It works. Let's pop a dog, keeping this person company. And you can do things like a little, you know, a little bag and a little walking stick or something as well. It's all there, and you can, of course, you can do it. Now, if this person is walking a dog, how do you do a dog? Let's do the dog here. You would do an M shape. This is quite small. You do a little M shape, and then you would turn that into a dog. So what we'll do is we'll sketch in, we'll sort of fill this in. That could be the back legs maybe, put the head on, then put the tail on. Now, there you go. Weirdly, you only see 3 legs, but it works. Pop a little shadow, and then a little lead coming down. So that's as simple as it is. But of course, you can go a lot further when it comes to sketching in figures in your picture. But if you was to put that in a landscape scene, that would look beautiful. Now over here, let's do a person that is maybe holding an umbrella. So what you do first is you would sketch a line for the umbrella, and you do a curve like a crossbow, and you do a few more curves, and you do a little bit of a, there's an umbrella. Now underneath that umbrella we can add a carrot. Yes, a carrot, but you won't see the top of the head, of course. It's all good stuff, isn't it? Now that person's obviously holding the umbrella, so that arm would be shorter than that arm. And then we'll do the legs coming down. We can sketch in a bit of tonal work on the umbrella. Pop in a bit of a shadow. And actually we'll put some rain in this as well. Some little flicks to represent a bit of rain. A few little bits bouncing off the umbrella. And a reflection, which again is made up of those downward lines. So there you go.